Okay, welcome back to our live. Isa na naman kapalapalabik na laban ng ating masasaksihan sa ating San Juan City Federated Association or GPTA. This is the battle of the men's basketball division between the District 2 finals rather. This is the battle between Kabayanan Integrated School facing off the home team ang Santa Lucia Elementary School. Sino kaya ang magwawagi para sa District 2 naman? Malalaman natin yan maya lamang po. Ito ang unang pagkakataon na papasok sa finals district ang Santa Lucia Elementary School. Shoutout po sa lahat ng aking mga kabarangay dito sa Santa Lucia. Ay, bossing! Shoutout tayo din sa gilid eh. Alam ko, sali kayo pala dyan. Hindi ka po pala ko ba yan?
Awal daw eh.
Di ka naman na may airship, di ba?
2 taon daw eh.
Ganda lang daw ba?
Bago pumasok ko rin. Ano nila?
Paralo perfecto.
Panalo ko. Perfecto kanina.
Parang New York versus ano ah.
Indiana.
Shoutout muna tayo kay Renzo Santiago Villavicencio. Shoutout kay Andre Albaladeo. Okay, let's go! Let the battle begin. Sino ay tatanghaling 2026 District 2 Finals sa ating San Juan City Inter GPTA. Let's go! Let the battle begin. Jump ball. First ball, makuha ni Jai. Torre gets a foul. Boss rep. Sorry. Thank you. First shot is good. Second shot, 2 for 2 for Jai Torre. Shoutout po kay Ate Edeline Torre. Napaka-supportive Perez din. Sa kanyang anak na nanonood natin sa venue. Valdez. Gary. Running shot, no good. Rebound. Oh, steal. My Gary, it gets the foul. Correction. Number 21. Three-point by Gary Valdez. Santa Lucia Elementary School. Ay, gag. Oy, wala. Rebound ng Kabayanan. All alone, no good. Rebound by Torre. Jai. Offensive foul. Number 16, that is Jai Torre. Valdez. To number 01. For 3. Whoa! What a dagger! 3-point! Sa mga ace player, another steal. Valdez! And score! Time out! Santa Lucia Elementary School. Official score as 8-2 with the time remaining 8 minutes and 14 seconds. Tingnan natin ang huddle. Ang Santa Lucia Elementary School. Shoutout muna dito sa kanan, no? Cap! Hey, Cap Raymond! Ayan! Nice watching! Para supportahan natin laban. Homer Kagawad, Ryan Silva. Ayan, take a book sa sapatos. Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go. 8 minutes and 14 seconds. Pinas pa rin dito si Roa. Roa, pass to number 21. Nasa Tutor. Oh, miss. Nagagawan. It's same ball. Number 16, pass to De La Cruz. Step back 3. No good. Rebound by number 01. Oh, that's a traveling violation. Torre. Jai, umatake, wala, rebound. De La Cruz, fade away shot. Basket. Oh. Oy, kami lang. Ang agad-agad. Sige, alala po tayo dito. Kaya natin ang ating huddle, ating mga officials. Sa kanila. Kaya natin ang huddle ating mga official referee. Kung anong tawag. Dabla. Tingnan natin ang huddle. Okay. Let's go, let's go. Okay, back to the ball game. Wait lang daw po ulit. Basket. Okay, it's basket. It's good. 8-4 ang ating official score. Labas sa dalawang lamang ng Kabayanan Integrated School. Back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. Gary. Pass number 9. Nasa corner, Steve. Pass number 9. Natawag. Oy, last touch. Kabayanan Integrated School Basketball. Gets the shot. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to De La Cruz. Number 12. Shooter at the post, fade away shot, no good. Rebound by Steve. Outlet pass. Gary for 3. Bang! 3-point for Gary Valdez. Oh, that's a foul. Santa Lucia Elementary School Basketball. Roa. Top of the key for 3. Yes, para sa tres by Roa. At may sagot dito ang Santa Lucia Elementary School. Steve, pass to Gary. Gary, top of the key, short. Rebound by Coach Tutor. But there's a foul. Coach Shooter, matangan ng bola. Binigay sa corner. Roa, 4-3. Back-to-back 3-point para kay Roa. Junior. What a dagger 3. Babasa isang lamang ng Kabayanan Integrated. Time remaining 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Roa on the free throw area. Bonus shot for Roa. Tabla na tayo sa 11. Ayan na. Nangangalahati na tayo sa ating first period. Valdez. Drop pass. Number 11. Basket yan. Balik ang kalamanan sa Kabayanan Integrated. Coach Shooter, pass to Espolita. Espolita, too strong. Rebound by Espolita. Spin move. No good. Rebound. Franco, pass to Gary. Pass to Steve. From elbow 3. Wala. Oh! Pero may tulak ang tinawag si De La Cruz. Mandatory substitution. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Wala pa tayong penalty. Wala pa pong penalty. Boss Rep. Volante. Oh, still. Ayun na. Kililan all the way. And one. Pastusa na. By Paul Kililan. Rep, sorry. Grabe yun. Paul Kililan. And one. Bonus shot is good for a 3-point play. Sal. Yun nata sa kabila. Kabila. Ayun na, change favor of Santa Lucia Elementary. Wait. Oh, still. Bravo ni Andre. Pass to Vicky. Vicky derecho. Oh, missed it. Rebound. Shao. Behind the back. Shao di diskarte. Binigay sa corner. Volante for 3. Too strong. Rebound. Ay, Santa Lucia. Andre. Matangan ng bola. Setting on the play. Andre. Cross-court pass. Bingi. Rep. Sa foul.
Bingi! Huwag kang tigil!
Penalty. Santa Lucia Elementary School under penalty situation. Two shots by jersey number 18. Offensive foul. Wala pa tayong penalty.
Oh, yes.
Walang penalty po pag offensive.
Habang naka-video call ka, tatawagan ka, hindi ka madilit. Call mo yung number call. Call mo yung number call.
Shao.
Call my gloves.
Pass number 32. Back to Shao. Volante. That's it. Traveling. Pero ang space sa gitna. Boss, rep. Hindi, space sa gitna para kita ko lang. Rep. Kuya. Pero space sa gitna. Pero space sa gitna lang. Yung space sa gitna, huwag ka na dito. Dito ang gitna eh. Dito ang likod mo lang. Ha? Ako lang, thank you.
Kasi hindi ako mag-offline.
Number 18, shooting for 2.
Sandali lang. Hindi ako na yung laban nila ni Tito de Miguel Matos kung papagas na ako, ha? Ang dami maglaban. Ang dami ko papagas, eh.
Tabla ulit tayo sa 14. Dingy. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Bingkong. Felipe umatake. Nice fake. And there's a foul. Well, a nice smart move by Vicky Felipe. Two shots for Felipe. First shot is good. Second shot. Felipe, wala. Rebound. Ooh. and 46 seconds. Pass to Shao. Number 18 for 3. May 3 point dito ang Kabayanan. Felipe, may tanga na bola. Pass to Paul. Pass to Binky. Binky sa loob. Oh, doon sa foul. 2 shots for Esteban. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Tabla ulit tayo sa 17. Another shot, no good. Rebound by Esteban. Pass to Andre. Pass to Binky. Binky with a save. Pass to Felipe. Paul for 3. No good. Rebound. Outlet pass. What a ball movement. Paul landing. And score. Official timeout muna tayo dito. Nahaw. Back to the ball game. Attention, idol. Pa-subdivision muna dito si Felipe. Alright, back to the ball game. 1 minute and 47 seconds sa ating first period. Andre. Oh, steal by Shao. Shao, nagpamadali. Crossover, spin. Nagkakasagutan na, nagkakainitan na po. The shots for Shao. Wala. Second shot for Shao. Kabayanan Integrated School. Shao for 3. Uy, wala. Andre gets the 3. No good. Rebound. Esteban fake. Closing the glass. There's a foul. Shot is good for Esteban. Wala. That's the shot. Bounce pass, out of bound. Andre. Fake. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Pahe. Pahe. Oh. There's a foul. Penalty. 2 shots for Pahe. First shot is good. Second shot, no. Rebound. Out of bound. Crossbar pass. Andre for 3. No good. Rebound. Ayun na, Kabayanan. Integrated. Happen. Under. Wala. Shot with the rebound. Tumira. Using the glass. And score. Last 8 seconds. 5. Pahe. Powered first period. All right, end of the first period. Official score. 20 na 19. Magbabalik pa tayo.